Good morning, y'all. I look crazy. This is my here not in the bun. And this is Bradley sleeping on me. And that's Trey sleeping right up under me because apparently everybody has to sleep on me. Trey, would you like to say a few words? What are you watching?
Teen Titans.
Oh, you're watching Teen Titans? Do you like Teen Titans? Oh, it's funny? Okay. But yes, I'm about to get dressed, fix my hair back into the bun. I found the headbands. And
yeah.
Who is that? What's their name? Star? Gar? Are you saying that Starfire? What about Raven? Where's Raven? What color is Raven wearing?
Maybe pink.
Oh, Star's wearing pink? Okay. He's trying to show me out about everything. Sorry, y'all. I am going to get up and go ahead and do my makeup. Let me just put Bradley down off of me.
Be
so I can
bright.
do that.
Mommy.
Hey, so I did my buns.
Mommy.
Yes,
Mommy.
baby.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Trey wants what? Little chips? You want little chips? Okay, let mommy get dressed and then I'll give you little chips, okay? Okay. What kind of little chips do you want? Let me show you. Okay, let's go. Jump! Bradley's upset over there, but it's fine. We're coming, baby. We're coming back. We just gotta get Trey some little chips. Yeah. Can you turn on the light for mommy? Thank you. Yeah. Bradley. Hi, my Bradley. You can get whichever chips you want, baby. I didn't say get the whole box. I said one pack. He bring the chips in here. Bradley's behind me. But he's down here. So. Hi. Climbed over to me. Yay, good job. Good choice. You want me to open it? Okay. You can't eat these in mommy's bed. You gotta sit down there and eat them. And when you're done, then you can get back in mommy's bed. Okay? You can't eat in mommy's bed. No. Okay, then I guess you don't eat your chips. You can eat in Trey's bed, or you can eat on the floor. No, you're not eating under them. Okay, I'll give it to baby.
No.
Well, then you gotta eat on the blanket. Or you gotta eat on the floor. You can't eat on the bed, baby.
Eat on blanket?
You can go get a blanket out of your room to eat on. No, baby. No. That's Trey's chips. It's Trey's chips. Bradley, you trying to eat Trey stuff so much. Yeah, I tried to do my edges, but we're gonna see how great it stays. No, Bradley. Oh, Bradley, you can't do that. Those are Trey's chips. Okay, y'all, let me feed Bradley and do my makeup and so y'all, I just finished my makeup, but now I need to hurry up and pump so that Bradley can eat while I'm gone. But this is getting awkward because my pump pieces are not where they should be. Just a little. Okay, got all the necessary pieces of pump. Right now, I'm going back here so I can pump for Bradley Bug. Hey y'all, my hair looks kind of coney because, yeah, y'all see how it looks. But whatever. I'm eating the breakfast bar. I'm leaving the house. I'm trying to not mess up my lips. So, let's go. So, it's crumbling. My edges are okay. I guess I need to use a different edge control. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. My right eye is kind of annoying me. So there's that. There's not much to talk about. So I guess we'll talk later. Hey y'all, I'm back. My hair, my bunny bun is messed up because I took out the big one and I only left a little thingy. So yeah, that's messed up. My eyelashes are annoying me, so I'm thinking about taking them off. I don't know. I'm about to edit Vlogmas Day 2 as well, so I can go ahead and upload that for y'all right now. Yeah, it's 12:45 a.m. and my Vlogmas Day 2 still not uploaded. I think it's like 35%. I'm gonna have to start uploading from the computer instead of from my phone. It's extra steps, but I'm just gonna have to because